Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to disable security default. Basically, when you create a new account and it means require your authorization and multi-factor authentication there, how you can disable that we will learn today. So here you need to click on this, and here you need to click on this option, and here you need to click on this intra, and in intra we have a manage option. Under manage option you need to click on a properties, and under properties you are able to see this option. Okay, and here you need to select this, and you need to tell the reason why you want to doing this. I am saying this for learning purpose only. Let's click on disable. Okay, but for learning purpose is fine, but this is not a recommended way. Thank you. Thanks for your time.